I hit my T580P Plus with the DJI Naza GPS. Got the Naza ESCs, Avoto motors, 2814s, 700 kV, 4-cell with 14-inch gropners. Let's do this. Alright. It's pretty windy out, so see if I can hold it. It's very windy out.
I saw that kick.
And now I got GPS hold. It's holding pretty good too. Holy wind! My eyes are just watering down my face, man. Yeah, I shut GPS off. Now I'm just in attitude mode. Which, yeah, it flies a lot faster. Brakes. This wind sucks. God. Always gotta be windy. I'm freezing now. Modified motor mounts that I made on my CNC. Like, I want to spin, but it won't let me. Woo! Alright. That's it. I'm putting it down. Freaking windy as hell. It's cold. That's it, guys. T580P Plus. Modified for the motors. And all DJI Naza. I ripped out the original shit because it sucks really bad. Peace out.